The man who didn't eat or drink for 70 years, the mystery of Prahlad Jani. What if everything you thought about human survival was wrong? Imagine a man claiming he hasn't eaten food or drunk water in over 70 years. Sounds like fiction, but this is a real story. His name was Prahlad Jani, also known as Mataji, a yogi from India who baffled scientists and challenged the very foundation of biology. He was born on August 13, 1929, in the village of Gujarat in Gujarat, India. From a young age, he felt drawn to the spiritual world. When he turned 11, he left home and began living as a wandering sadhu, a holy man detached from the material world. It was during this period that he claimed to have received a divine blessing from the goddess Amba, a form of Durga. According to Jani, the goddess touched his tongue and declared that he would no longer need food or water to live. From that moment on, he said, he survived purely on divine nectar, a mysterious life force generated within his body. He settled in a cave near Amba Devi, a sacred site, and became a well-known figure among the locals. Some believed him, others dismissed him as a spiritual eccentric. But one thing was certain: he had no kitchen, no water supply, and no signs of nourishment in his surroundings. Decades went by, the world changed, but Prahlad Jani remained the same, meditating, chanting, and claiming to live without sustenance. The modern world, however, is not kind to miracles without proof. So, in 2003, doctors at Sterling Hospital in Ahmedabad decided to put him under strict observation. The experiment was led by Dr. Sudhir Shah, a respected neurologist. Jani was kept in a sealed hospital room for 10 days under 24-hour CCTV surveillance. He was not allowed to bathe, brush his teeth, or use any bathroom. Medical staff continuously monitored his vitals. Not once did he eat, not once did he drink, and incredibly, not once did he urinate or defecate. Doctors were shocked. After 10 days, he was released, healthy, hydrated, and perfectly stable. Some were skeptical. Maybe 10 days wasn't enough. Maybe he was hiding something. The world demanded more. So, in 2010, a second and more intense study was conducted. This time, Prahlad Jani was locked inside a special hospital ward at Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences, DPAS, a branch of India's Defence Research and Development Organization. This time, the observation lasted 15 days. Again, round-the-clock surveillance. Again, no food, no water, no bathroom use, and yet no physical deterioration. Ultrasounds, MRIs, and blood tests revealed normal organ function. His body produced urine, but it was somehow reabsorbed. His weight remained stable. No signs of dehydration. Doctors had no explanation. How could a man survive like this? Some scientists proposed extreme forms of meditation and metabolic control. Others believed his body had adapted in unknown ways. But no scientific model could fully explain his survival. To his followers, Prahlad Jani was a living siddha, a being who had mastered the laws of the physical world. To skeptics, he was a spiritual illusionist with unproven claims and unverifiable circumstances. Critics questioned whether the tests were truly airtight. Could there have been a breach? Was he secretly fed? Were the tests long enough to truly validate his claims? Still, none could deny the hard data collected under observation. For Prahlad Jani himself, none of this mattered. He never sought fame, never charged money. He spent his life in meditation, wearing a red sari-like robe and elaborate jewelry. He believed that silence, solitude, and devotion gave him access to energy sources beyond human understanding. He passed away on May 26, 2020, at the age of 90. Until his last days, he remained physically strong, alert, and free from any major illness. His story continues to inspire curiosity, debate, and awe. To some, he was a fraud. To others, a miracle. But above all, he was a man who challenged science and left behind a mystery that no one has yet been able to solve. What do you believe? Could the human body transcend biology? Or is this just a tale too extraordinary to accept? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more curiosities that push the boundaries of reality. Stay curious, stay open.